I want to welcome you to the biggest celebration ever of our American values. And I want to thank all of you for taking the time to come here this afternoon.
This is Madman. We are back at the NRA convention for the third day. We are here with Lionheart Industries. This is Jared, and he's going to talk about the product for you.
Hi, my name is Jared Kermath. I'm the sales manager for Lionheart Industries. We are a new firearms company. We're based out of Redmond, Washington, and places like the NRA show is a great venue for us to be at. We put together some of the best firearms that we could find, and what we've done is we've tried to put together the best of every category when it comes to having a firearm for your personal protection, for your everyday carry, for your home protection, whatever else you want to carry a firearm for. We wanted to have the best of each category for you. And when I say that, I mean I want you to have the best finish. So when it comes to having a finish on our firearms, Cerakote is the best finish we could find right now. The durability, the strength of the coating, everything is the best we could find. So every one of our firearms comes standard with the Cerakote finish. Also, we wanted to have the best cleaning as well as protective system for your weapon, and we've used Frog Lube. Everybody knows Frog Lube. That's a very quality product, and once you treat your firearm or any type of weapon you have, it's something that's going to last a long time, as well as going to keep your weapon functioning as it's supposed to be. So on top of that, the best sights, Novak sights, come standard with our firearms. As far as I know, we're the only firearms company right now that has Cerakote finish and Novak sights as standard. So now you got the best lube, Frog Lube. You have the best finish, Cerakote finish. You have the best sights, which is Novak sights. Grips, we had one of the top designers in the industry design these new grips for us, a hardened rubber grip. And then we wanted the best type of metal platform to work from. So this is a completely forged weapon. When I say that, I mean you have a forged aluminum frame, forged stainless steel match grade chrome lined barrel, and a stainless steel slide. We've actually redone the width and depth of our grooves right here, so it's popular with a lot of the female shooters right now that have a hard time with their nails or whatever to be able to rack the slide from the rear of the weapon. So they can go on top, operate the slide, and really be able to operate this firearm accordingly. Now, one of the very unique features about our guns is that first round target accuracy. So we have standard single and double action on our guns, but now if you watch, you push the hammer right back up from a cock position. It's not a decocker. We have an ambidextrous safety, so you can still push the hammer back up with the safety on or off. But what you have now is you see that trigger move. This is single action, and it's a 3-pound trigger pull. Standard double action trigger pull for our firearms is a little bit over 9 pounds. But now, when you have what we call a double action plus trigger, you have it cocked, you squeeze this trigger, it's a 3-pound trigger pull all the way through. So your first round target accuracy increases dramatically because you don't have that heavy first long draw of a trigger when it comes to double action trigger. So these are very unique 2-part trigger that we have, 2-part hammer that is something that is very ideal for all shooters, but especially female shooters or somebody that has a weakened forearm strength, that it's something that they can actually pull from a concealed carry and come on target and actually have rounds downrange on target quicker and more accurate than anything else we have. So besides the best finish, the best sights, the best grip design we could have, the best trigger we have, and the best cleaning loop system we have, we got tired of having gun cases shipped to us and sitting in the garage that we can't use. So we've gone ahead and put together our Lionheart bag that comes with it. It's a range bag, but it's also the case that you buy the gun in and it ships in. You see our logo right there. A lot of people put their own patches or anything on it, that's fine, make it your own. But at the same time, this is how you get your new firearm. You got your Frog Lube right here, the rest of your cleaning system, your extra magazine. All of our guns come with 2 magazines. Our compacts come with 2 10-round mags. Our full size come with a 13 and 15-round magazine. Your cable lock system, all your nomenclature, your safety manual, your lifetime warranty card, everything else is inside here, and your firearm comes in the back. We've got a lot of independent reviewers and everybody else out there saying this is the best case they've seen shipped with a standard firearm. So not only do you get all of that for a very low price, because the biggest thing is you expect to pay $1,000 plus for a firearm with Cerakote finish or even Novak sights. You don't have to do that with us. Our standard price for these retail for our compact is $695. So $695 is a great value. We've had buyers from different major retailers come through here and talk to me about having these firearms with them, and that'd be great to have them with them, but to raise our MSRP is not what we're all about. We want to have you to have a firearm that's going to be functional, operational, but it has that value associated with it that you don't have to sit and pay for. So the money you save, go ahead and buy some extra magazines, have those on hand, buy something else from one of your other weapon platforms, okay? Or save it and buy something else that's going to come from us in the future. We've got a lot of guns planned for the future. Right now we have our 9mm pistols. We have a compact, which is our LH9C, Lionheart 9mm C compact. Our full size, which is a LH9, Lionheart 9mm, and our Mark II. Our Mark II is a full size with light rail underneath it. A little bit more robust design, but with these guns, you're only looking at maybe 3 ounces heavier than a polymer frame. But the durability and strength, when you look at these things and when you start to fire them, is so significant that they're almost too good to pass up. So you may not have heard of our name before, but at the same time, you may have heard of Daewoo. Daewoo's been making firearms for about 100 years. They're out of South Korea, and they make some of the top military weapons in the world right now. They have a state-of-the-art manufacturing process, and they're our partner on this. They're our manufacturer. We import these things, manufacturers complete firearms, but in the manufacturing process is when we have our finish put on these things. We have a nice thick coating of Cerakote on these, and it's not after it's manufactured, then we take it apart and put it together. In the manufacturing process, as this forged aluminum frame is created, we go ahead and apply the Cerakote to it as a component. So it's not done afterwards, so it's just not the exterior of it, it's the entire piece. These frames with this forged aluminum are so durable and strong, it's a military spec weapon. So it's going to last you far longer than you will see with any other type of platform, or even a metal frame that's not forged. So when it comes to the models we have the 3 models, the Mark II, the full size, and my compact. You saw the compact in our what we call our graphite black Cerakote finish. This is my Patriot Brown. It almost looks like a green-brown color, but it's a bitone, but we call it the Patriot Brown. This is my LH9. See right here, my LH9, Lionheart 9. This is our full size. And the other one has a, Mark II has a light rail underneath here. But as you can see, same trigger we have on all these. Safety's on, 3-pound trigger, first round target accuracy. It's phenomenal. These things have been really doing well for us right now. We're looking for dealers. Dealers that are having a hard time right now finding firearms are starting to turn to us because we carry a significant amount of firearms in stock at any one time, but sometimes we can offer same-day shipping, so they have guns pretty quickly. So we've got a lot of dealers right now that have just been set up as a new dealer. They don't have those relationships with the representatives or the manufacturers or the distributors to have guns in their hands quickly, or even at all, just because the demand is so high for everybody else. It's a high reseller for them. They're going to them first. So for us, no matter how big or how small, we have no order minimums when it comes to a dealer carrying our product. We want you to carry our product. So come to us, review our website, lionheartindustries.com. Our Facebook page is the keyword Lionheart Industries. My information, you can contact me anytime, is JERROD@lionheartindustries.com. I'll give you the information about being a dealer. We have range gun programs for dealers with ranges. If you have training classes, we've had actually complete training schools adopt our firearms in the last 3 months to not only teach their entire complement of first shots, shooters, or anybody else, the female shooters as well, because of this new trigger that we have. So it's something that's highly ideal for anybody in the market, and it has everything you could want in one affordable platform that does not scrimp on quality. Forged components, Cerakote finish, Novak sights, great grip design, durable, robust firearm when it comes to the all-metal components, new range case. You're not going to find something that has this type of value. And as far as I know, like I said before, the only firearm in the market that is standard Cerakote finish and Novak sights. And if somebody else does have it, I'm sure it's not going to be for $700. Or under $700. So by all means, let us know, look us up. Appreciate you guys coming out and visit us in the booth. Hopefully you'll start to see us more in the dealers and the ranges in your area soon.